Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. The government employee may be promoted if necessary by reverting the junior most officiating person. Stop. He may be promoted notionally with reference to the date of promotion of his junior. Stop. However, whether the official concerned will be entitled to any arrears of pay for the period of notional promotion preceding the date of actual promotion, and if so, to what extent will be decided by the appointing authority by taking into consideration all the facts and circumstances of the disciplinary proceedings. Stop. Where the authority denies arrears of salary or part of it will record its reasons for doing so. Stop. It is not possible to anticipate and enumerate exhaustively all the circumstances under which such denials of arrears of salary or part of it may become necessary. Stop. If any penalty is imposed on the government employee as a result of the disciplinary proceedings, the findings of the sealed cover shall not be acted upon. Stop. His case for promotion may be considered by the next departmental promotion committee or the competent authority next time in the normal course, and having regard to the penalty imposed on him. Stop. It is also clarified that in a case where disciplinary proceedings have been held under the relevant disciplinary rules, stop. Warning should not be issued as a result of such proceedings. Stop. If it is found as a result of the proceedings that some blame attaches to the employee, at least the penalty of censure should be imposed. Full stop. Over.